Hey everyone, today we're diving into Kluster AI, one of the most talked about developer AI clouds in 2025. I've been testing it for weeks and I'll break down everything for you, the pros, cons, pricing, and my personal experience. If you're looking for a powerful AI cloud platform, this review will help you decide if Kluster is right for you. Let's get started. Kluster AI Review. Kluster AI is a cloud platform designed for developers who want to work with AI without unnecessary complexity. It offers high performance, flexible pricing, and support for fine-tuned models. Let's dive into the details. Key features: grant or powerful API requests, up to 32K context tokens on the free tier. Flexible pricing from a free trial to enterprise solutions. Custom model support, host and fine-tune your own models. Lease pricing. 2025, 1 trial, free, 30 requests per minute, needy $25, 600 RPM, MAL to 32K context tokens. 1 fine-tuned model. Support community. 2 core pay-as-you-go min, $10 RPM. Max context and output length. 10 models. Team account support. 3 scale. Custom pricing. Scale custom pricing. 1 200 RPM. Up to 500K batch queue. 25 models. Email support. 4 to enterprise. Unlimited requests. Unlimited models. Priority support. Enterprise. Lease pros of Kluster AI, Dadnan, great free tier test without spending a dime. Dadnan flexible pay-as-you-go option, core plan, .n, high limits even on entry-level plans. Dadnan custom model support, rare for cloud AI services. Lease pros, Vi free tier is too weak for production, only 30 RPM. Dadnan phone support, even on scale. Dollar minimum spend may not suit everyone. My experience, I tested Kluster for code generation and data analysis. Response times are impressive with minimal delays. Sometimes documentation is lacking for certain API methods, but the community is helpful. If you're a developer or startup, Kluster AI is a solid choice. The free tier lets you test it out, while Scale/Enterprise works for serious projects. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, hit like and subscribe. It motivates me to make more breakdowns like this. Let me know in the comments which AI service you'd like me to cover next. Good luck with your projects.